As a national trainer on the ASAM criteria over the past 2 years, I've trained a couple thousand people on it. We've utilized a 1 and 2 day format. And I think generally people get a basic understanding of how to use it and obviously glean more information from the 2 day training. But I think overall therapists oftentimes struggle with common mistakes. Some of the common mistakes we see with therapists is they don't know how to appropriately apply levels of care to each of the dimensions. And they might walk away feeling inadequate or unsure of themselves and not very confident in the ASAM criteria and utilizing it as an assessment tool. We oftentimes see therapists struggle with how to apply it to continuing care as well as discharge planning, and then also how to use it to guide treatment planning. So these areas lead to therapists' frustration, feeling inadequate, unsure of themselves. And we really want you to understand the ASAM criteria, and we really feel like this online learning platform is going to break it down for you step by step so that you really get it down. So it's not going to be us just doing a couple case studies, but we're really going to apply the different configurations to levels of care on each of the dimensions and how that shakes out in terms of determining an overall level of care recommendation. So I'm combining forces with Skill Builder. I'm super excited about it. We're going to give you that step-by-step process that I think has been really missing in a lot of these live and online trainings. And we're really aiming with this learning platform to have you really integrate the information so that you can take it with you after the online training and really get down to business applying this criteria in a very confident and sure way. Thank you.